Hey guys, in this video we're going to discuss how to deposit cash on Capital One. There's multiple different options. You can go ahead and use an external account. Basically, you link your eligible external checking or savings account to your account that you have at the bank. Lets you easily transfer funds between your account, okay? So you go to the online banking in that account and transfer funds here. Or what you can do is you can do a mobile deposit. Follow these steps. Open up your Capital One mobile app, select your account, click on deposit next to the camera icon, take photos of the front and back of your check. And what you want to do, guys, is that you want to write for Capital One mobile deposit on the back of your check and sign your name on the back of the check as well prior to taking that picture. Then you can just follow the prompts, fill the deposit amount, and you can do a memo as well, okay? Slide your finger across the green button, complete your deposit. Now that's for mobile deposit. You can also do an ATM deposit if you live near a Capital One cafe or Capital One bank location. You can go ahead and make a check or a cash deposit at any ATM at that location. Also, you can do a direct deposit, right? Go to your employer, give your Capital One account number, routing number, and then give it to them, and then they can go ahead and make a direct deposit to your account. Okay, you can do a direct deposit form and submit it at the bank. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.